Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how you can turn on the memory integrity in Windows security in the most easiest way. To get started, simply click on Review Incompatible Drivers. Now this will list out the drivers which is causing the issue. Now carefully look at these drivers and note the published name. You need to delete this driver to turn on the memory integrity. To begin with, simply run command prompt as administrator. Now you need to type this command in the command prompt window, or you can copy it from the video description. Now you need to replace this published name with the driver name which is causing the issue. You can simply note it from here. Now I'll be replacing this with the driver causing the issue. In my case it's OEM51.inf. Now once you do it, simply copy and paste it in the CMD window and hit enter. You'll get a similar message that the driver package deleted successfully. Now you'll have to do it for the other drivers as well. Simply note the published name and replace it in the command line, copy it, paste it in the command prompt window and hit enter. That's it. The driver package is deleted successfully. Now close everything, go to Windows Security again. Now click on Core Isolation Details and click on Scan again. That's it. The memory integrity will turn on without any issues. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.